We are essentially connecting the ground or work cable to the negative lead or lug on the machine. And we are connecting the electrode holder, stinger, whatever you want to call it, we're putting that to the positive terminal. Okay? It's that simple. You know, if this was straight up 90 degrees and I went over here to about 10 degrees or so, 15 degrees, and I was dragging, I'd be fine. Okay? Rocking motion. Okay? Just back and forth and just kind of carry the bead along. That's all I'm doing. Real simple.
Keeping the rod down close, barely dragging the rod on the material with a very slight stick.
Again, let's go through the numbering system. 60,000 pounds tensile strength. The 1 in the 3rd digit means that it'll run in any position. Again, this one has a violent digging fast freeze type of arc. I wish that I had the exact same size, but I don't, so that I could show you the comparison. Some people have a hard time telling the difference between the two as far as the arc characteristic. The 1 in this case indicates a composition that allows it to run on alternating current and DC EP. So it's very similar to 6010 amps. Every one of these little ripples is my heartbeat. No, I'm just kidding. Every one of these ripples in here is where I kind of just a gentle stitch, rock or whatever. But that's how violent and how fast freeze this electrode is. As soon as you oscillate or step forward, it freezes and it makes that ridge in there.
You're gonna whip it. Whip it good. Moving forward. Step back. This is kind of like dabbing.
Yeah. You know what? The bead doesn't look too much different than anything else. But that is the big old stitch and the whip and all that. And there's all kinds of little techniques. Slag doesn't want to come off of there very friendly. Look at all those beautiful dabs. Beautiful.